and welcome to TonyaLTV. I have missed you guys. It's been a little bit since I've actually uploaded a video. But today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am bringing you a review on this stuff right here. It's called Planta. It is by Ambrosia collection. And it is a protein powder. So those of you that like plant-based protein powders, this is going to be something you want to hear. Now, I typically use, let me grab it, this Vega. I like the Vega. It's pretty good. It has 30 grams of protein, 6 grams of BCAA, and 6 grams of gluten. There it is, right there. And I will let you get a close-up of this. You probably have to pause it to read that. It's barely any in here. It's like probably a half a scoop left. And so anyways, there is a bodybuilder, trainer, boxer that's actually here on YouTube, and I like to watch those videos, and he's co-owner of this company, Ambrosia collection. So I just had to try it, you guys. I personally cannot do whey protein. Whey protein and me are not friends. Cannot do it. Don't even try anymore. So I have to do a plant-based protein if I want to take the protein. Anyways, I've tried many. Tone It Up, I did not like at all. Nope, not at all. It was the most chalky. Yeah, I don't even want to take time to explain it. It's just not good to me. Some of you out there may try it and like it, but for me, it was an absolute no way. Okay, so anyways, this is mainly about this particular protein. I ordered this because it kind of caught my attention, and he would always talk about how great it is. It's a complete protein. It's plant-based, this and that. And so, you know, I'm open to try new things. Vega had never let me down. The problem that I have with this one here, it comes in vanilla and chocolate. I don't have a whole lot of flavors. This is actually the Sport Performance protein. So it's a little bit different than your typical sport protein or your regular protein. I get tired of that vanilla taste. Although I like this one, I just really get tired of that vanilla taste. This one right here came in so many different flavors, you guys, OMG. So this particular one is pumpkin spice latte. Now, when I tell you this stuff right here exceeded my expectations, it is so delicious. Like, I actually want to drink this, and I haven't been working out. I love the taste. Because it is plant protein, it does have like a slight chalky, just a little bit now. It's not unbearable. It is absolutely delicious. When you open this stuff up, it smells exactly. The team that made this they know what they're doing, honey. This stuff is good. And so also I got the small package. This is the sampler package. It comes in 3s. This one is banana maple French toast. Drops the package. You guys, when I tell you this one right here though, this banana maple French toast is off the chain. I absolutely love this one. Super good. And then it has so many different, like, I'll give you a close-up. It's so much in this stuff besides excellent taste. Now, the delivery on this one was faster, even though I ordered it maybe, I think I ordered these, yeah, 2 different days, believe it or not. The sampler packet and then the bigger one. This came faster, believe it or not. And they got it to me, the shipping was, I think it was like 2 to 3 days. And so, like, they are super efficient in getting you your product that you ordered, which I really like because I was in desperate need of my protein. And guys, I just say this is a go-to. This one has, I believe it's 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of total fat, 27 vitamins and minerals, and it's 100 calories. It's no artificial flavors, colors, gluten, lactose, saturated fat, cholesterol, or animal products. It's none of these things that are in here. I'll let you look at that. None of it is in here, which is absolutely fantastic. So I highly recommend this. If you're going to take protein, I highly recommend the Ambrosia collection. They have all kinds. Like I have 2 more that came in the little sampler. I haven't opened them yet because I fell in love with these 2. You see, this one's empty because that banana maple honey, it's super good, okay? And so I have another one. I actually have 2 more that I'll do a review on a different day. It's the vanilla, and they have one called cupcake. So I'm gonna do that later. I just want to stick with these right now because they are so good. All I do is mix it. You can use coconut milk or almond milk. I use the unflavored almond milk, or you can use unflavored coconut milk because I like them both. And then you just put a scoop in there, honey, and I put it in this little thing right here with a couple ice cubes, honey, and I just shake it up really well and drink it. It goes down wonderfully. I love the taste. I actually, like I said a little bit earlier, I don't mind just making one just to have one to drink, and that's pretty good when it comes down to protein. This particular size bottle was $49.99. If you follow Mike Rashid on YouTube, he's always giving out discount codes for it. So I got mine on a discount. I don't know what it would be right now. You probably want to go on over to his video and check it out. There's always a percentage off. He usually gives you a code for ordering it. And this was $13.99. It comes in a pack of, I keep saying 3, but it's 3 flavors. I apologize. It comes in a pack of 4. It's $13.99. And you get 2 of the banana maple French toast, 1 of the vanilla, and 1 of the cupcake. And so thus far, I love these 2. I cannot wait to taste the vanilla and the cupcake. I just like what I like. I'm going to probably hold off. When I order this again, it will be a big tub of this stuff right here, this banana. This is equally terrific. So kudos to the team on Ambrosia collection. I love this stuff. So that's my review, guys. I give it 2 thumbs up. And remember to live, love, laugh, and create. Stay healthy. Keep a positive mindset. And until next time, guys, bye.